Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a brand new video and it's actually going to be a fashion related video. So if you guys are interested in seeing a sneaker unboxing, then please stay tuned. And also if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the button down below. That's gonna help you stay up to date with my content. And also please, this is a major ask. YouTube has just revealed that now to monetize, people will need 1,000 subscribers. So I got that thanks to your guys' support. But also too, I'm gonna need 4,000 views in like the last 12 months, which is quite a bit. I have faith I can get there. This is actually pushing me to work harder on my channel, but if you guys could help me out, that would be great. So I actually purchased a new pair of sneakers, and last time I did my Nike haul, a lot of you guys enjoyed it, so I thought I would do a review on my new Adidas sneakers. So I find as I'm getting older, I'm just obsessed with sneakers, and on casual days, that's what I wear. So I've been wanting these for a while. I saw them on ASOS, and then I just delayed myself, and then they were sold out. But an ad came up, and for once an ad was useful, believe it or not, and it was for these sneakers. So without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into them. These I've been wanting for a long time. So these are the Adidas tubulars, and I don't think they're the tubular shadows. So just the irregular one in burgundy. Look how beautiful these are. I debated against burgundy and gray. I still might buy the gray. And guess how much I got these for? $39.95. Crazy, shocked. I couldn't believe it. So that's why I might get the gray ones, because they're so cheap. But my secret is, if you guys watch my Nike haul, is that I have very small feet. So these are actually children's shoes. Regularly, I'm about a 6, 6.5, even 7. So if you are in those size ranges, definitely shop the kids' sneakers because it is so much cheaper. So these are in a 5.5 and they are burgundy. So this is what the back looks like. It says Adidas right here. We have the side, which is like this kind of, I don't even know the material name. They lace up, and then here, there's an Adidas label right there. Oh, and inside too, they have the Ortholite. So I'm actually surprised. It's not as soft as I thought inside. I thought it would be a little bit more cushiony, but it's actually not. There is a bit of a platform ridge. I did do like a few squats in these, and I don't think these are going to be shoes I'm going to work out in. I didn't look up to see if they are workout shoes, that kind of thing, but for me, I'll probably continue to work out in my Roches, just because I actually don't like working out with like a big platform like this because I feel like I could roll my ankle, but I'm thinking this would look really cool with like a little dress and like a jean jacket, a black dress, or I don't know, some sort of like burgundy hoodie. There's lots of options. It's actually weird. I have now like all kinds of bright kind of sneakers. I have like black and rose gold and now burgundy. And you don't really see a lot of burgundy sneakers. I think that's why I was attracted to these. Regularly, they were $80. So I definitely had gotten a great deal. So yes, I'm very obsessed with these. So I know this video was really short, but I just wanted to show you guys my new sneakers and find out kind of what you guys thought about them. Do you think they're cute? Do you guys have a pair? Let me know down below. So I thank you so much for watching this video and all your continued support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.